Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason, and I want to break down this trade that I made today on ticker AMD. So I bought 1,000 shares at $16.36, and it would actually show the sell right here shortly. I got a sell order in at $16.46. So when I bought in, I actually bought in, like right in here, and when you trade stocks, you have to pay attention to patterns that are taking place. So this 200 bar EMA line right here, this purple line, had been acting, like a support on the 1 minute chart for a little while. And sometimes, it take some slight dips under it, but it usually wasn't breaking past it too far. And and then it would, kind of go up just a little bit. And really, that's all I cared about doing was just, scalping this for, however many pennies a share that I could. And so, when I bought in right here, I was expecting it to, again, bounce off this EMA line. And it did, and it went up, and I had to order, I had to order in for 16.46, which would have yielded me a $100 profit. And it got up here, and at this point, I had like a $90 profit, and I should have, I was 1 penny away from making $100. Really, I should have just sold right then. I honestly took too much of a risk, and it could have been bad for me. So I actually did not end up selling, and it took us another dip right here, and it went a little bit further past this EMA line, and it kind of put me in the red a little bit, but then it came back and just recovered just a little bit, and it slowly creeped up and sold off. So what I was actually looking at when I made this trade was right here. Well, I'll start at the MACD. Right here, the MACD, was at a position where it could potentially reverse. Now, once it's at this point, it doesn't have to reverse at all. It can, do something like this and start tanking more. But I was looking at the RSI, and I decided this will probably be a good point to get into, based off MACD, RSI, and it had been bouncing off this 200-minute EMA line. So, like I said, I should have just sold here earlier, but I didn't. And in the end, it actually paid off for me. I mean, $10 more. I mean, I really shouldn't risk it over $10, but it still worked out. It wasn't the greatest trade. I mean, it would have been a lot better if I'd have just sold right there and walked away, but I didn't. So here goes again, and right here will actually show the sell. There's the sell. Sold at 16.46, and I'll pull up this little box over here in a second to actually show the $100 profit. But I usually overall don't sell, or not sell, trade stock in this range. I like to keep it over $50-$60 at a minimum, just because better quality stocks yield better results. Right here, AMD is overall a good stock to day trade with. It's just when you're in these lower price stocks, you really don't have much difference in the price action, and that's where you make your profit. So I got fortunate enough. I made 10 cents per share, and I was able to walk away with, here we go. I was able to walk away with $100. And this trade lasted just a little bit less than an hour. So $100 in an hour, I mean, yeah, some people would say, you had over $16,000 invested for, $100 profit. But, this is day trading. Regardless of what people tell you, this is how day trading really works. Now, if this was a swing trade, it would be a different story. I don't care to swing trade. I like to day trade because I have control over what I'm doing when the market's open. So even if a stock is uptrending on the daily charts, I like to stick, to the day trading side of things because I don't know what's going to happen after hours. But if you like this video and found any value in it at all, please share it with people. Subscribe to my page and follow me on Twitter. Thank you for your time and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.